As part of cooperation with Pelletto partners, a project on meal granulation with a capacity of 5 tons per hour was implemented at one of the oil processing plants in the Kyiv region, next to the existing sunflower husk granulation line. The vertical structure of the building allowed for compact placement of the meal granulation equipment next to the previously installed sunflower husk granulation line. Waste from oil extraction production, i.e. meal, is transported to the BV45 accumulation bunker using a conveyor. The prepared raw material from the accumulation bunker is delivered to the GT500D granulator, where the granulation process takes place. The finished granules are transferred to the GTO19x19 refrigerator, where they are cooled to the required temperature and obtain the required strength. Then the granules go to the GTP screener, where good quality granules are separated from small particles. After this process, the granules are transferred to the finished products warehouse using transport elements. Pelletto specialists carried out the assembly works and supervised each stage of implementation, also from the technical side. The Grantech brand granulation line is fully automated and integrated with the overall plant management system, and is linked to the operation of the extraction department, the capacitive storage sector, and the boiler room. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at the telephone number provided.